Look at that thing, man. That thing is frying. They're still trying to get this thing out, man.
Look, it's like melted glass.
They can't get this thing. I mean, this thing's just melted, gone. Look at this thing. Yeah, that thing is smoking. Got a bunch more fire trucks coming. They got a bunch of them down here. Police are coming here to shut the road down. Look at this thing, man. This thing is smoking. Got a big old fire truck coming now. Coming right down the lane, right here. Look at this thing. They about got it out now, though.